Hi everyone, I am doing a quick video on this Duraflame stove heater. So these are the controls. This one is just, I'm going to turn it on, I'll just show you that way. So this control controls the brightness. Brighter or dimmer. I'm going to turn it up again so you can see that. See how it's brighter? And turn it down. This is your thermostat. So you could hear the sound of it. I would not suggest putting this on a carpet, area rug, or vinyl flooring. This is a tile floor, as you could see. And I am going to use one in my back room that has vinyl plank flooring, and it's got a wool area rug over top of the plank flooring. But I am going to put, I have some spare tiles, so I'm going to put a couple of these 16-inch tiles. Maybe they're 12s, I guess they're 12-inch tiles, in front of the heating element. That's just what I'm going to do. I don't know if it's necessary, but as you can see, the heating element. You can see how high it is off the floor. Now this pulls 12.5 amps, even with both switches on. This is low heat. This would be high heat if I turn this on. So do I like it? Yes. The plug does not get hot. It's a little loud with the fan, but I like the fact that it has a thermostat. Now I'm going to show you the side vents. I like the fact that it has these side vents, this opened area. A lot of them don't have that. And I guess so you could see the flame effect, but to me, I think it's probably better for this to be ventilated. The fan sounds like it's coming from this heating element, so these vented areas may not have any effect at all. So, do I like the heater? Yes, it does blow a good amount of heat, and for $100, yeah, I like it. So thanks for watching.